welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you know me, you know how much I love Pinterest, and as I was scrolling through the app, I found few pretty curtains and these are my inspirations and I decided to DIY them. For the benefit of doubt, I checked online price of these curtains and it was around 800 to 1000 rupees. So I decided to DIY them and I purchased 5 meters of pink checks fabric which is of cotton material and 2.5 meters of scallop lace which complements the pink fabric. Before cutting and stitching the fabric into curtains, I placed it as a tablecloth and it looks so pretty as you can see. For the DIY, then I took my window measurements, length, width and marked it onto the cloth and cut the fabric as per the measurements. I have marked length 57 inches and width 45 inches considering the sewing allowance, and since I am making a set of 2 curtains, these measurements are for a single one. This is step 1. Once the cutting is done, take out the raw edges of the fabric and double fold it as shown in the video and give it a top stitch so that it looks neat and clean. This should be done on all the 4 sides of the fabric. Once the raw ends are stitched, take out the length side of the curtain and create a space as shown in the video for the curtain rod to enter and give it a stitch. Once it is done, this is how it should look. It should give a space for the curtain rod to enter and you can use it as it is, and this is how it should look. And these are the similar curtains which are being sold on Amazon for 800 to 1000 rupees. Since our Pinterest inspo pictures have some lace on it, we are going to add it. And for that, I have considered the width as the same of the curtain and length as 10 inches. And repeat the step 1, which is stitch all the 4 raw edges. Here comes the step 3 of the DIY. So here you have to take out the scallops lace and stitch it to the width side of the fabric as shown in the video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any video that I post online. I wanted to thank all of you for showering so much of love on Pinterest inspired ruffles DIY curtains video, and thank you for your support. That gave me so much of motivation. And thank you so much for showing love on my birthday decor video that I posted online a few months back. Thanks for the support, guys. For easy understanding, we will call the first curtain fabric as fabric 1 and the lace fabric as fabric 2. Once the fabric 2, which is the lace fabric, is stitched, keep that aside and take out the fabric 1, which is the curtain fabric, and place fabric 2 on top of fabric 1 as shown in the video and stitch the fabric 2 on the same stitch we stitched for the curtain rod to enter. By doing so, you will achieve your Pinterest inspired picture look, and also you will not disturb the space you have created for the curtain rod to enter. I love to do DIYs. If you are also someone who's interested to do DIYs, please give it a try. So this is the final look of our Pinterest inspired curtains and I'm totally in love of the look. Do let me know in comment section what you think of this DIY. And please do like, share, subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.